This is question number 3, 2025 Kcse mathematics papers, and we are supposed to solve this equation. 4 to power 3x multiplied by 8 is equals to 1 over 32 to power 2x minus 3. So before we start the question, this question is from indices, which you learned in Form 2. And in indices, you learned the 3 rows of indices. The first row, you said a multiplied by m multiplied by a to power n is equals to a m plus n. The second one is we say that a m divided by a n is equals to a m minus n. And the third row of indices, a m that is to power m, then into bracket to power n is equals to a m multiplied by n. So ni lazima ujue these rows, you master them. You master them, that they are in your head, so that when you get a question, you can be able to apply these rules in solving a question like this one. Nafikiri tumeelewana hapo. You learned this in Form 2. So tukikuja kwa hii swali, tunasema 4 is raised to power 3x multiplied by 8. We come here and say 8 is the same as 2 times 2 times 2. So it is equals to 2 to power 3. Therefore, we can write 8 to power 3. Then we have the same case here applies. 4 is the same as 2 times 2 is equals to 2 squared. Why am I doing this? So that you can understand. So you can write 2. You can now write 4. Instead of 4, we write 2 to power 2. And remember, it is raised to power 3x. Okay. Then we have multiplication. Instead of writing 8, we write 2 to power 3. Why are we doing that? So that we can have a common a common what? We can have a common base. That is this is 2 and this is 2. So you can say here in our rows we have a and a. So for us to use the rows of indices, we have to have a common the base must be the same. This is called the base and this is called the index. This is the index, this is the base. That's for you to apply the rows of indices, they have to be the same. That is why we are changing this. 4 we change to 2 powers of 2, 8 we change to powers of 2. So as we continue, we say it is equals to this is 1 divided by, now it comes to 32. 32 is the same as 4, that is 2 to power 5. 32 is equals to 2 to power 5. So we change 32 to 2 to power 5. So this is 2 to power 5, and we say it is 2x minus 3. So I hope you have understood that. What we have done is to change the base from these other numbers, that is 32 to 2, so that we can now apply the rows of indices. Now we check, if you check here, we can apply the third row of indices. So we combine 2 and 3x. So what will we get that? So we get 2. 2 times 3 is 6x. Okay? 2 times 2 is 6x. Multiplied by 3, 2 to power 3 is equals to we can now, before we operate this other side here, we know that you are also taught about the inverse. We said 1 over a to power m is equals to a to power minus m. So we can change this and say this is 2 to power minus 5 into bracket 2x minus 3. So ukifanya hivyo we say here you can apply the third rule. Sawa, you can apply the third rule. Hope you are okay. Now when you do that, we also look at this one, the left hand side. We can apply now the first rule. You can see a to power m multiplied by a to power n is equals to a to power n plus 2. So therefore, we come here and say this is 2. Now we add 6x plus 3. We have applied the third rule. And the other side, this side here, we apply the third rule. So we come and say this is 2 minus 5 times times 2x, that will give us 10x, we are plus because minus 5 times minus 3 will be positive, so that will give us 15. Now there is something that we have achieved which is going to help us, that we have managed to express our equation here with a common base, which is 2. So when the base is the same, this is 2 to power 6x plus 3, and we have 2 to power minus 10x plus 15, then it means if they are equal, it means the indices are the same. That is, this one is equal to this one. So you come here and say 6x plus 3 is equals to minus 10x plus 15, and we can simplify that. We can simplify that and say take x to the other side, you get 16x, because when 10 crosses the equal sign, it becomes positive. Is equals, we take 3 to the other side, it becomes negative. So it is 15 minus 3, and that is going to give us 12. So we can now be able to get our x is equals to 12 divided by 16. We divide both sides by 16, and that is going to give us, we divide by 4, you get 12 divided by 4 is 3, 16 divided by 4 is 4, and therefore we get our answer is 3 divided by 4. So that is how you work out that question. I hope you have followed. So the most important thing here is these rows are very important. The 3 rows of indices, that is what you need to know for you to solve this particular question. Then the inverse is also very important, that you know 1 over m is equals to minus a to power minus m, or let's say we have 2 to power minus 1, it is the same as 1 divided by 2. So that is, you can convert like that. That is very important, and this you learned in Form 2. If you have any question or there is something that you have not understood, join my WhatsApp group, and when you join my WhatsApp group, you will be able to enjoy so many things. This is, you have daily mathematics questions, you have free live classroom where I'll be able to teach you one-on-one. We have our PDF notes. You have marking scheme of any question, any paper that you have. If you have revision paper, you can send it to me, and I will prepare for you a marking scheme. Or if you have done a paper and you'd like me or my colleagues to mark for you, you do that. You will get explanation notes in my WhatsApp group of questions that we'll be covering. So you are all welcome.